agriculture. Agriculture is a major industry in the United States which is a net exporter of food. Agriculture in United States is highly mechanized with an average of only one farmer or farm laborer required for per square kilometer of farmland for production. Some of the major crops produced in USA are corn, soybeans, oil crops, sugars and sweeteners. There are many challenges which are faced by the US agriculture, and some of them are: as per the American Federative Bureau, US agriculture needs 1.5 to 2 million hired workers. As the food demand is increasing, farmers are expected to increase their food production by 70% in order to meet the needs of the people as compared to 2007. Now, I want to highlight my views on maritime security in the United States. The US Maritime Security Strategy promotes international peace and security as well as respect for international rules and principles while ensuring the sustainability of the oceans and the protection of biodiversity. The major objective of the US maritime security is to protect our natural resources and marine environment, to uphold the international law, particularly the United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea, and to react promptly and effectively to the growing global threats. The 2005 National Strategy for Maritime Security is the chief guiding document American maritime policy along with its supporting plans. Moving on to the concept of intellectual property rights in the United States of America. USA has been a member of World Trade Organization since 1995. USA is signatory to various IP agreements, and some of them are: number one is Paris Convention. Under this, any person from any signatory state can apply for patent or trademark in any signatory state and will be given the same enforcement rights and status as a national of that country would be. Next is Berne Convention. Under this, each member state recognizes the copyright of author from other member states in the same way as the copyright of its own nationals. Other treaties include the Madrid Protocol and the Patent Cooperation Treaty. In the United States, creative work is automatically protected by copyright as long as it is both original and is fixed in the tangible form. Now, I want to seek your attention to the most destructive global issue of terrorism in the United States. Terrorist groups such as ISIS, Al-Qaeda and Hezbollah continue to plot attacks against the United States and our allies and partners. The Department of State works to build global consensus to degrade and defeat these adversaries. Through a combination of diplomatic engagement and foreign assistance, Department works with foreign government partners to build the capabilities necessary to prevent, degrade, detect and respond to these terrorist attacks. This includes efforts to strengthen law enforcement and judicial capabilities, expand aviation and border security, deepen global information sharing, counter terrorist financing, improve crisis response and counter violent extremism. The State Department also works closely with the Department of Defense, Homeland Security, Justice, Treasury and the intelligence community to lead an integrated whole-of-government approach to international counter-terrorism. Now, to cherish the fraternity and the friendship of the United States of America with the Republic of India, I want to highlight the bilateral relations between the two countries. The India-US bilateral relations have developed into global strategic partnership based on shared democratic values and increasing convergence of interest on bilateral, regional and global issues. Grassroots level interactions between the people of two nations provide further strength and vitality to this relationship. We have continued to stand behind the idea that Germany, Japan and India should be permanent member of Security Council. At last, I just want to say that fingers are crossed. Let's hope for the best. I am sure that we all be able to seek solutions to all these global issues with the cooperation of the global world. Thank you.